Good morning, dear children. Welcome back. I am Mrs. Sithara, your social science teacher. In today's session, we are going to learn Class 4, Term 2, Unit 3 in Social Science, Transport. Come, children, let us learn. Children, in this unit, we will understand the importance of transport. We will understand why transport is important in our lives. We will list the various modes of transport and describe each mode of transport. Children, transport, Transport, transport. What is it? Do you have any idea? Yes, that is right. It is the movement. It is movement of people, animals and things from one place to another. What is transport? It is the movement of people, animals and things from one place to another. You move from one place to another. It becomes transport. You want to transport your things from your native place to your place. Then it is transport. It could be people moving, or it could be animals, or it could be things. Now, do you know what are the different modes of transport? M-O-D-E-S, modes. A mode is a way or a manner in which something is occurring or is experienced or done. That is the meaning of mode. Now, do you have any idea what are the different modes of transport? What are the ways in which we can have our transport? Yes, that is right. There are 4 modes of transport. There are 4 modes of transport. Which are they? If you use road, it becomes roadways. Yes, can you tell me the vehicles that ply on the road? You can see bus, car, cycle, scooter, etc. on the road. What about railways? Yes, that is also a mode of transport. What is it? Railways have trains run on railways tracks, right? You have railways. Then you can find a ship, submarine, or yacht, or boat. All these things ply on water, that forms the waterways. And the various vehicles like the helicopter, aeroplane, airbus, or even rocket, they use the airways. So there are 4 modes of transport. They are roadways, railways, waterways and airways. If a vehicle is using roads, it becomes a road transport. If it is using rail, you have seen railway tracks on which trains run, isn't it? If a vehicle, if it is using the railway track for transport, it becomes railways. If a vehicle is using water for its transportation, for example, you can see boat or yacht or even catamaran, then that mode of transport is called as waterways. If it is using air as a means or mode of transport, it becomes a airways. Dear children, before, do you remember which is the most important invention that man has made? Any idea, children? Yes, that is very correct. It is the wheel. The invention of wheel changed our lives forever. And can you imagine how people would have traveled from one place to another earlier days? Before, you will be asking me, ma'am, why they had to travel? Dear children, fruits are all seasonal. Then water is not always available in the river. So people had to move from one place to another in search of food or water. As the season changed, the fruit bearing trees also changed. So they had to go and hunt for new trees to harvest the fruits. So they had to travel. And how they used to travel? Yes, like we walk from one place to another, they also used to walk from one place to another. Before the invention of wheels, humans used to walk everywhere. Wherever they had to go, they had to always walk. Later on, they used bullock carts. You have seen bullock carts in our villages, isn't it? They are using bullock carts even today to cover distances. It carries our weight, ourselves, and we can go for more distances than as we walk. Even today, many people use bicycles, which are eco-friendly to travel. So bicycles are eco-friendly. ECOFRIENDLY, eco-friendly. What is the meaning of eco-friendly? It is not having or giving out any pollutants. It is pollution free. It is giving you zero waste. Many of you come to school by bicycle, isn't it? You are not using any fuel for that. You just have to pedal it. It is kind of an exercise also, right, children? Yes. So, which is an eco-friendly travel means it is bicycle. Many people are using bicycle for traveling. Now we will learn about roadways. Children, you can find roads of different types in and around our area, right? There are tarred roads which are tarred and which is pakka, and there are muddy roads, there are rural roads, short small roads, etc. India has been building roads since old times. From the time we remember, there were roads. And what do roadways do? They connect the nook and corner of our country. What is the meaning of nook and corner? N-O-O-K, nook, and C-O-R-N-E-R-S, nook and corner. Every part of a country are connected through a road. My dear children, there are different types of road depending on the people or the authority which takes care of it. You can find national highways or NH, national highways. These are the main roads connecting cities in the country. The important cities and various cities in our country are connected by national highways, and the longest national highway covering around 3,745 kilometers is the NH44, which is the national highway, that is NH44, runs from Srinagar in Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari down south in Tamilnadu. So NH44, which is the longest national highway in India, will run from Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir to Kanyakumari in our Tamil Nadu. Children, on the map you can find the NH44. You can see it is running from Srinagar in Jammu Kashmir, traveling through the Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Andhra, and to our Tamil Nadu. It covers major cities and it is around 3,745 kilometers in length. Children, tell me which are the important cities or major cities of India. They are, yes, right, Chennai, then Mumbai, Delhi, and Kolkata. Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi, and Kolkata. All the four places are connected by roads, and that road is called as a golden quadrilateral. What is a golden quadrilateral? The road that connects the four major cities like Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi and Kolkata. In India, it is called as Golden Quadrilateral. You know, children, you have already learned the word quadrilateral. 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 Quadrilateral is any four-sided figure. You have learned it in maths. Any figure having four sides can be called as a quadrilateral. Quad means four. You can say a square, a rectangle, a rhombus, a trapezium, a parallelogram. All these figures come under a quadrilateral. And Golden Quadrilateral is a road that connects the four major cities in India. Which are they? Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi and Kolkata. Now it is time for us to learn about the state highways. State highways are run by the state government. These are the roads connecting important cities within the state. Inside the state, if you have different cities will be there, and if they are connected through roads, they are called as state highways or SH. You can see on the map SH4, which runs from Arcot to Villupuram. That is a state highway running from Arcot to Villupuram. Apart from national highways, state highways, there are district roads and village roads. District roads and village roads. Let us learn about them. A district road connects markets and offices in the district. What it will do? It will connect the various markets and all the offices in the district. They are of two types, major district roads and other district roads. Major district roads and other district roads. Children, a village road connects villages or a group of villages with each other and also to other major roads near it. A village road will connect villages or a group of villages with each other and also to the major roads near it. So we have national highways, state highways, district roads and village roads. Children, on the road while you travel from place to place, you would have watched different milestones. There are stones marked with the kilometers and the place written on it, right? And there are different colors for that. And you will be wondering, oh, why it has got different colors? Yes, there are different color codes for the different roads. Okay? And the yellow ones with the white, means it is a national highway. If you are traveling and you see a milestone painted yellow and white, you must understand it as a national highway. What about state highways? It will be green and white in color. State highways will be green and white. And if it is painted fully white or black and white, half black, top side will be black, or it could be fully white. It means it is a city or a district road. And if it is painted orange on the top, it means it is a rural road. It is a rural road and it is built by Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. It is built with the funds from Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana road. So yellow is for national highway, green is for state highway, black or white is for city or district roads, and orange for rural roads. Dear children, have you traveled in a bus? Yes, it is really enjoyable, isn't it? Why? Because many people are there in it. When we go for field trip, we will be going by bus, isn't it? You will be enjoying. The whole class will be there in it and you can have a fun time in that. Yes, so bus is the most important means of public transport in India. That means majority of the people, majority of the public travel by bus. The buses are managed. Who will be running the buses? It could be the respective state governments. The state governments will manage their buses. For example, you can find SCTC bus or TNSTC bus. Our transport corporation is running it, managing it. Same way, other states also will have their own transport buses like the KSRTC or Karnataka State Transport Corporation, etc. And also there are private companies or private people who run the bus service. Many state government have introduced air-conditioned buses and sleeper buses. That is, many of the buses are air-conditioned. You can travel by bus which is air-conditioned, and sleeper buses like the